basically we have innovation incubation center at RSU. So you would have visited. There we have some basic facilities for the entrepreneurship. So regarding that, I am going to give some small presentation. We will understand. We will try to discuss what is entrepreneurship and innovation. So please go to the next slide. So here we need to understand the first slide itself. We are depicting some information that generally after doing our professional courses in engineering and suppose other professional courses, basically we try to get a job and we try to have an employment. But if suppose you have a very good skill, if you have very good technological solutions with you, if you have some innovative idea, you can go for entrepreneurship. So you can see, last slide please go. You can see the number of people going for the employment, employees are more, but entrepreneurships are rare. Okay, so that is what the depiction is. Now go to next slide. Here, entrepreneurship is not that easy task. Here it needs three important qualities. That you should have some innovative idea with you. You should have the independent thinking, and also you have to have some leadership qualities in order to deliver that solution to the society. So we will try to understand how this entrepreneurship comes in. So please next slide. So here what we basically engineers do. So yes, we are taking this we take in mechanical engineering. We understood what are the program outcomes, right? So there are 12 program outcomes and that are going to be fulfilled by the number of courses that we are studying. But my basic question is what we engineer basically do. We try to solve the complex engineering problem of the society. How these problems are evolving and how these problems we are solving, that we need to understand. Okay, so engineers basically what they do, they try to satisfy the human needs. So the very famous line by Brookman, engineers satisfy the mankind's complex needs and desires, and they try to solve the problems. How these problems comes up? So for this, a very important case study is there. In Europe in 1347, some plague came and lot of people died. So there were very few human resources to perform the farming operation. So that was the problem, and how it has been solved. So they come up with the new innovative idea in order to do the farming. So they come up with the new farming tools, right? So some problems will be there in the society because of the changing situations, and that has to be solved by the innovator, by the engineer, and by the entrepreneur. So please go to the next slide. So basically I did a